Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting new features in Google AI Studio, Nano Banana. This powerful AI model is revolutionizing how we edit and manipulate images with simple text prompts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Nano Banana to create stunning image edits like the one you see here, where I seamlessly replaced a coffee bag in someone's hands with a completely different design. First, let's understand what Nano Banana actually is. Nano Banana is Google's latest multimodal AI model that specializes in precise image editing and object replacement. Unlike traditional photo editing software that requires complex masking and layering, Nano Banana understands natural language instructions and can make sophisticated edits automatically. To get started, you'll need access to Google AI Studio. If you don't have access yet, I'll link the sign-up page in the description below. Once you're logged in, look for the Nano Banana option in the Model Selection drop-down. Now, here's what makes this so powerful. You can upload multiple reference images. In my example, I uploaded 2 photos, the original image of a woman holding a coffee bag and a second image showing the specific coffee bag design I wanted to use as a replacement. Let me walk you through the exact process I used. First, upload your primary image. In this case, the photo of the woman holding the original coffee bag. Then, upload your reference image, the new coffee bag design you want to use. Next, craft your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Your prompt needs to be specific, but natural. I used use the coffee bag in photo 2 and replace it with the one the woman is holding in the photo. Make it smooth. Notice how I clearly identified which image contains the replacement object, specified exactly what needs to be replaced, and added "Make it smooth" for seamless blending. Finally, hit Generate and watch Nano Banana work its magic. The AI analyzes both images, understands the lighting, perspective, and hand positioning, then seamlessly integrates the new coffee bag design. Here are some pro tips I've learned. Be specific about image references. Always mention photo 1, photo 2, etc. when working with multiple images. Include blending instructions. Words like smooth, seamless, or natural help the AI focus on realistic integration. Consider lighting and perspective. Nano Banana is smart, but choosing reference images with similar lighting conditions gives better results. And iterate your prompts. If the first result isn't perfect, refine your prompt with more specific instructions. For more advanced edits, you can specify exact positioning, like place the new coffee bag in the same position and angle, control styling with match the lighting and shadows of the original scene, or add creative elements like make the replacement look naturally worn, or ensure the branding is clearly visible. And that's how you use Nano Banana in Google AI Studio. As you can see, what used to take hours in Photoshop can now be done in seconds with a simple text prompt. The results are incredibly realistic and professional looking. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me edit next with Nano Banana. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.